I'm a Food Network junkie. I love to eat. I like cooking. It's just fun. I had a makeshift propane burner, had a grill sitting in the middle of the deck, had this other tool sitting in the basement, but it was always ad hoc. When I wanted to make an outdoor kitchen, I wanted to build this right from top to bottom. When I got a chance to see the kind of work that Gasper did, I didn't look further. They had expertise that I didn't have. And the 3D model that was created helped us kind of finalize details of the design, just like what direction the bar should be facing, so we're not staring at the house. Do you want to be cooking this close to the people who are sitting at the bar? They worked amazingly fast, and figuring out how to put the finished product together was a pleasure. Gasper did fantastic work throughout. We enjoyed hosting a lot of folks, and there's some annual parties over at our house, and it's just really fun. I get happy after I eat something that's really good or different, and I think other people do too, and that's a great feeling to share.